माननीय स्वप्न दास गुप्ता जी, आपने रेज किया था कि बिल सर्कुलेट नहीं हुआ। इनफैक्ट कोविड प्रोटोकॉल के तहत सारे बिल्स जो हैं वो अपलोड किए जा रहे हैं सॉफ्ट कॉपी। थैंक यू। श्री प्रशांत नंदा, प्लीज।
Due to the pass of time, I'll only discuss about purpose and impact of this bill. The purpose of this bill is to enhance transparency and accountability in the receipt and utilization of foreign contribution worth thousands of crores of rupees every year and facilitate the genuine NGO or association who are working for the society. The bill also proposes some restrictions. The bill proposes to state that foreign contribution must be received only in an account designated by the Bank of FCRA account. Investment bill. Sir, I want to highlight the stringent policy measures taken in this bill. The inflow of foreign contribution is seen continuous rise in last decade, but the utilization of such contribution has been seen directed towards unauthorized payment, like to maintain basic statutory compliances, like submission of annual returns and maintaining accounts due to which the government had to suspend many certificates and spending inquiries on. Restricting appropriation of foreign contribution. The amendment was proposed to ensure the proper utilization of the designated funds from foreign contribution. No organization which is registered and granted a certificate or has obtained prior permission under the FCRA and receive any foreign contribution shall transfer such foreign contribution to any other organization. Sir, I wholeheartedly support this bill as the policy impact would be beneficial to the country as a whole. But my sincerest request will be genuine NGOs should not be harassed by officials as the country may lose funds. Thank you.
थैंक यू प्रशांत नंदा जी। श्री वी विजय साई रेड्डी,